Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung energies ng love life ninyo ngayong April 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede kayo makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, hindi po ako mag-message sa inyo or magpa-follow sa inyo para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga scammers at fake accounts. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, meron tayong website, mrqueenph.com. Lahat na ng information nandun. Or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Kaya email nyo ako, mrqueenph@gmail.com. Okay, let's see. Cancer, what's the energy? You are not everyone's emotional support. Oh my God. Alam nyo, mga Cancerian kasi very empathic, empathetic, sympathetic. So, hindi nyo kayang kumbaga, proteksyonan nyo yung sarili nyo kasi kung lahat na lang inaasa sa inyo ng ibang tao na ayusin yung buhay nila or intindihin sila, kayo rin yung mahihirapan. Okay? You are not everyone's emotional support. Kahit sino pa yan. Siyempre may mga mahal sa buhay tayo, 'di ba? Na gusto natin to be there for them. Pero kung masyado ng toxic and you feel na hindi na siya healthy para sa'yo, it's okay na dumistansya ka muna. Stop confusing passion with a panic attack. Okay. So, some of you, maaring merong feelings of, yung parang feeling mo you are in love with this person or parang mabilis kang maapektuhan ng nangyayari sa paligid mo, especially kung may kinalaman to sa mga taong mahal mo. Minsan kasi, akala natin, we are passionate about a person, pero yung pala, meron na tayong takot na nadarama doon sa person na yon na hindi na pala siya healthy para sa atin. Stop trying to save people who wouldn't share their snacks. Oo nga naman. Bakit? Ayan kasi, yan yung savior mentality rin minsan, no? Na, yung mga Cancerians, may tendency din silang maging people pleaser. But the moment na ma-realize nila that they are being taken advantage of, sila na rin yung dumidistansya no? So, kumbaga, wag mo asahan na lahat ng taong tinutulungan mo ay nandyan para sa'yo. So, syempre, piliin mo lang kung sino talaga yung worth it, no? Yung dinideserve ng oras mo, panahon mo, pagmamahal mo, efforts mo. Baka kasi merong hingi sa'yo ng emotional support ngayong April. You have the Two of Cups. Okay. The King of Cups. You have a lot of love to give. Kaya lang, with the Five of Swords. Ang problema kasi betrayal. Hindi lahat totoo yung kanilang intentions. So, you have to protect your energies. Siyempre, hindi laging todo bigay or bigay todo. Oo. I mean, yes, if you love someone, then give the necessary love for that person. But, of course, magtira ka para sa sarili mo. Love's greatest gift is the ability to truly understand one another. Yes. So, if there's someone na nakakaintindi sa'yo, yun talaga yung nagmamahal sa'yo. And if mahal mo rin isang tao, you try to understand where the person is coming from. Pero syempre may boundaries. Nurture very Cancerian energy. Nurture your relationships like blooming flowers. They will flourish. Ayan. So minsan kasi, we also, parang Meron tayong high expectations sa relationship na para rin kasi yung halaman na itinanim mo. Excuse me. And then, kailangan alagaan para mag-blossom, 'di ba? Depende sa pamamaraan mo ng pag-alaga kung paano yun mag-bloom. Oh, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, set your boundaries. Love may challenge your boundaries, protect them. Siyempre, kasi nga, para makaiwas sa mga taong abusado. Kasi minsan, binigay mo na lahat no? Kulang pa rin. Paano na? Hindi pwedeng ganon. Wow, may abundance. Being a thoughtful steward for money you already have is the secret to creating more abundance. When you trust yourself to handle more, that's when more shows up. Ang abundance na naman kasi, hindi lang yan sa finances, sa rin yan, talent, skill set, and for you, you have abundance of love. Okay? So, you have so much love to give, and yung love na yon, it will also bring more abundance in your life. The more you love, the more na merong abundance sa buhay mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.